Welcome everyone, I'm Bill Rogers. I'm an associate family lawyer at Russell Alexander Collaborative Family Lawyers. We help families with separation and divorce, and we upload videos about current family law cases and other interesting aspects of family law. So without further ado, let's get into today's topic, the divorce of a tech billionaire. As reported in several news sources, the nasty divorce of a 51-year-old tech billionaire who was instrumental in the founding of Google has finally hit the courtroom after 7 years of legal wrangling. Although he was never officially a Google employee, Scott Hassan is widely touted computer robotics genius who had been hired more than 2 decades ago to write much of the original computer code that powers the Google search engine. He was introduced to Allison Huynh by mutual friends in Silicon Valley, and he proposed to her on a hiking trip. They got married in 2001 at the Little White Chapel in Las Vegas. And those relatively humble relationship beginnings now appear to be ending very badly. Allison, who is currently a senior research fellow at Stanford University's Robotics laboratory, claims that Scott ended the marriage out of the blue in 2014 by sending her a text message saying, "I'm leaving and the marriage is over." Allison told media sources that she had no inkling this was coming. Scott disputed this, stating, "The catalyst of their separation was an argument in which Allison accused him of infidelity in front of their children, among other things that crossed the line." It became clear to Scott that they needed to separate permanently, and he communicated that to her. The couple's matrimonial assets were valued at $1.8 billion in 2018 and included 160,000 shares of Google that Scott had bought for $800 as part of his compensation for doing about 3 months of the initial coding work. He ended up with 2.56 million shares in Google, which are now worth hundreds of millions of dollars. However, since the former couple had no prenuptial agreement, the long-delayed legal resolution of how to divide the vast fortune has had to go before the courts. While Allison concedes that she has no claim on the pre-marriage Google shares, she is claiming for her share of the money generated during their marriage under the California community property regime for divorce and family disputes. She complains that Scott is blocking her from getting any money at all, even for the 3 children they have together. She alleges that before he left, he set up a $20 million trust fund for their offspring, but then he spitefully reduced it to a total of $500,000 for all 3. Allison points out this does not even pay for college. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments below. The time since their split has not been without drama and conflict. Scott even admitted that he launched a revenge website against his ex and helped populate it with positive articles written about her, as well as unflattering materials, such as court documents from 3 embarrassing lawsuits in which she is also embroiled. And Scott explained that he put it together in a moment of frustration to combat what he felt were one-sided stories being fed to the press. He claimed he did it to level the playing field by merely aggregating publicly available information without commenting or editorializing. Allison alleges that Scott was transparently trying to bully her into dropping her spousal claims against him. And initially, the former couple could not even agree on their separation date, although as of May 18th, 2020, they are now officially divorced by order of the court. And now a full 7 years after their separation, a hearing to determine the division of their assets is imminent. It should be an interesting, very high-stakes battle. To learn more about this case, you can read the full article linked in the description below. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. You can also leave your thoughts on this case in the comments below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get a notification every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.